Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the SL72RS by Adidas in the One Love core black, white and off-white colorway. Released in mid-October 2024, here in the UK for the retail price of £85, it comes in a classic blue and white Adidas box. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper with an extra set of black laces. A special Bob Marley signature box would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. As 2020 comes to an end, I would like to look back at one of the best collaborations that I felt flew under the radar this year. Adidas took their vintage runner on a reggae rollercoaster, paying homage to the musical legend Bob Marley. Details like his image on the tongue tab, his golden signature at the heel, plus his name printed on the white and blue insoles was a nice touch. Yes, the green hit on the yellowed midsole is a not so subtle nod to his Jamaican roots, however I like its overall simple wearable design, with premium feeling materials like the black low grain suede and white leather. Unfortunately these sold out, so I couldn't do a full review on this one love, one heart. But let's join together and hit that like button. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please comment jamming to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, what's your favourite sneaker collaboration of 2024? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.